Here's an update from the KSHB 41 Weather Center. All right, we've had some great weather here in May. It's on average the wettest month of the year. It's on average the peak of severe weather season, and we have had neither here in the first half of the month. Our time is running out. We are in a level 2 of 5 severe weather risk for Sunday with a level 3 of 5 not that far away. And we'll be talking about that. And then Monday, that becomes a level 3 of 5 over the entire area, all the way for the entire corridor there along I-35. So let's go through all this here. Now, tonight, there may be a shower or a thunderstorm later tonight, but overall, it should be mainly dry. And tomorrow morning, there could be a shower or a thunderstorm possible. I think also we'll probably have just enough dry hours to get the third game of the Royals-Cardinals series in there for Sunday. Now, Sunday afternoon, there's the first showers and thunderstorms forming to our west. Those could be severe, and that level 3 of 5 hail and strong winds the main threat. And then they move east, and by tomorrow evening, we are in it. Very heavy rain, hail, gusty winds would be the main threat. I really don't think the tornado threat is that high tomorrow evening or night. Something we'll watch, but just don't think so. Then that moves out. And then Monday is the day we have to really watch closely. And on Monday morning, there may not be much going on, a few showers out there. And then the degree of severity on Monday will depend on the amount of degree in the thermometer. The warmer it is, the better chance we have of all forms of severe weather. The cooler it is, the less threat. How could it be cooler? Clouds, other showers and thunderstorms before the main event gets going. So here we are, 7 a.m. to 4 p.m., pretty quiet, and then these thunderstorms form over us. Now, those that are formed near our area, those could be severe if it warms up out ahead of it. If it's not as warm before 4 p.m., then those may not be as severe. And what those could do is cool it off the atmosphere enough so that the ones that do form and move in here Monday night aren't as bad. Because watch what happens. You can see there's a definite warm sector with a warm front to our south, a dry line of cold front, and then the triple points up there in Nebraska. But it's a little on the messy side setup, but it is there. And so that best chance of severe weather is right there over central Kansas. Watch what happens between 4 and 7 p.m. Boom. That's the big thunderstorms. Now, the question is, once they get here, will they encounter a very warm and humid air mass or just a warm and humid air mass? It'll make a big difference. And so you see all these thunderstorms lined up along the warm front. It could be a lot of severe weather. However, it just depends on how the temperature's set up. There's still questions. And then after about midnight Monday night, it moves off and it's out of here. And we are looking at better weather Tuesday. A little breezy and cool, though. Temperatures in the 60s. The rain chances over in severe weather way out there in Illinois and Indiana. How much rain? We just want some rain. We don't really want severe weather. We don't need the severe weather. We need the rain. Well, on this data, it shows basically what's been going on this whole season. Heavy rain, Clinton, Sedalia, Warrensburg, lesser amounts up in northwest Missouri. But if the lesser amounts are indeed 1 to 2 inches, that would be good up there where the moderate drought has crept in and the heavier to the south. Now, this is still not set in stone. The heavier rain, it can still shift around depending on where the thunderstorms set up. Models have a very difficult time picking up the actual individual thunderstorms. They're good at picking up the area of formation, but strength, the timing, and actual location, not an easy thing to do. So as we take a look at our forecast, let's go through this here in depth. For tonight, just partly cloudy. There might be a shower or thunderstorm by morning. And then tomorrow, a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms before 5 p.m. Winds east to southeast 15 to 25 and up to 75 to 80. Then on tomorrow night, low 60 to 65. A good chance of thunderstorms and very heavy rain and some hail is possible. Winds gusting to 50 miles per hour or more in some of the thunderstorms is possible. Monday, this is the day we got to watch. And see 75 to 82 there, closer to 75, it's less severe. Closer to 82, it's more severe. Periods of thunderstorms, some may be severe, especially Monday evening and night. All forms of severe weather are possible. So as we kind of summarize this here, tomorrow night, 5 p.m. to 2 a.m., main threat, large hail, strong wind gusts. Then Monday night, especially in the afternoon and night, main threats are, all forms are possible as the main threat, and you can see them all there. And flooding, too. Believe it or not, as dry as it's been, we could get flash flooding. Flooding kills more people per year than tornadoes and lightning combined. 6 inches of flowing water can lift an SUV. Turn around, don't drown. Then on Tuesday, and then also the summary here, is that it's not set yet. It is not set yet. More clouds and rain during the day Monday may limit the severe potential in our area, but again, it's just something we're going to have to watch. So as we take a look at the Super 10-day, 68 Tuesday, showers will be ending. We have that 70% chance of thunderstorms tomorrow, but it's mainly for that after 5 p.m. And then 64 Wednesday, 71 Thursday, pretty nice. Friday, not bad. More shower and thunderstorm chances next week, and those have lower severe potential and more beneficial rain potential, so hopefully you get that. Have a great rest of your weekend. Stay with KSHB 41. We'll keep you advised, and stay healthy.